Hello everyone, welcome back to the ONYX Automotive YouTube channel. I am Spencer, and behind me you can see we have a Ferrari SF90 Spider in here today. This car is one of Ferrari's fastest ever production cars, pushing over 1,000 brake from factory with its combined electric motors and combustion engine. And we're going to be applying full XPEL paint protection coverage to the entire vehicle. I'm going to show you that entire process right now. And there you have it guys, the Ferrari SF90 Spider is now complete. The whole car is now fully protected from stone chips and scratches. and it's looking a lot cleaner than it did when it first came in. Not only does it expels paint protection, self-heal and protect the car from stone chips and scratches, it also enhances the gloss paintwork. Every single edge and corner is fully wrapped, so you cannot tell that this car has been paint protected. If you guys enjoy these PPF installs, then make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the bell notifications so you do not miss another video from us. And if you want to get your car booked in, check out the description. All our links to ONYX Auto Bodies and ONYX Automotive are down in the description, as well as the website. So go check that out and get your car booked in, and we'll see you guys in the next video.